show you how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure to watch full video, stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here you have quite a lot of AI features which you can use. You have the top here, which you can turn your photos into images like these. Down here, you can turn your photos into action figures, mini toys, cartoon, sketch, American comics, a lot of things down here. But these are pretty much all the features which you can use. So nothing much, nothing more. So depends on whichever one you want to use. It all depends upon you. So let's say for example here you have the AI cartoon filter. So all I have to do is tap on this one here and upload an image of myself, and it will pretty much give me any one out of these five here to choose. And once I've selected one, uploaded my image, or if I don't want that one, I can change it to the Halloween filter. And here I get a lot of Halloween filters as well. Just upload a clear image of yourself so you can get best results for you. Here you have the anime filters or style as well. I want more of these anime filter or styles. I can just tap on the more option here. You can see pretty much all of them. You have the cartoon, you have the comic, you have pretty much every one of them. So this is pretty much the AI generating section. So over here, just give us some example of pretty much what it should look like once you have selected that feature. And once you have reach at the top here, you may see the AI filter feature here. This is pretty much everything down here. But if you select this here, just do that here. So this is where you go to generate anything. If you want the action figure, if you want the anime style, image generation, everything, guys. So it all depends upon you and what you want. So you have the advanced feature here, which gives you similarity to the image. So if you have uploaded an image here of yourself and you want it to look more like you or 100% of you, then you have to enable that straight up or enter the prompt so you can get the best results when using the application. And you can also enter the amount of image you want to generate. So it do keep for each image or for each pictures you're going to generate, it requires 1 credit. And for you to get credit, you have to purchase it. So it's different from the subscription. And yes, so let me just go to one section here. So you have the text to image feature, and the action figure is pretty much the same thing there. You have this face swap feature here where you pretty much upload your face and you can swap it with any one of these options here, which is like the yearbook options and so forth. And then over here, if you scroll across again, you have the AI heart feature here. You have the double exposure feature. Yeah, the AI, pretty much everything down here is the same thing. So it just depends upon you what you want, and you just select it. You have the AI background removal, AI background removal is there as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. So let's say you don't have the pro subscription, how to get it. So all you gotta do is just tap on the try pro option here, and these are pretty much all the features we get in. Unlimited AI generation within the text to image feature, and some other features here. You have the benefits. They're gonna show you the benefits. When you purchase the subscription, you maybe get credits now and then, like weekly credits. Doesn't show that on this application, however. So if I go in the profile section here, you can check how much credits you have by just tapping on this leave icon here, and you can see how much credits you have. As you can see here, the prices for the credits. I think it's just 1 credit to generate 1 image or 1 text video. But I mean, I may have to double check, but I think that's the price for everything. So once you have selected or uploaded your credits, you're pretty much good to go. And also, if you join your premium, you get 50% off these credit prices. Now, to pretty much get free credits, or should I say free coins to generate your video or text or whatever the case is, you just tap on this GIF icon here. And this here, if you do check in with the application, you do get 1 free credit every day as you use the application. And 1 or 2, so as you can see here, for day 3, you get 4. So with the pro option now, you get more than just one. You get 4, you get 10 credits. And also you can go down here to pretty much watch ads to get credit as well. You can do as the application follow. You can follow them on TikTok to get credits, which you can also do. So yes. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very simple application to use. And if I missed anything in the tutorial, please comment below. I would gladly love to help you guys. I would also guys, be sure to subscribe, watch the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.